Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Losi's new 69 Camaro touring car. Now, as always, before we get too much further, I just wanted to say thank you for stopping in and taking a look at another one of my videos. Now, with that out of the way, what's in front of you here is Losi's newest 1969 Camaro. This is not the drag car, but this is the touring car. If you've been around in the hobby for any length of time, you might remember this chassis as the Vaterra V100. So it just received a new branding and of course a new body. Now, starting with the controller that's here, this controller is that same little cheap controller that they're including in a lot of the entry-level models. And as always, I'm not as pleased with this controller as it could be because I do think that there are some better options that Horizon has available. Looking at the body, Losi has done a very nice job with the details. This model is available in two colors, which is the red one that you see here, and also a black with white stripes. There is a molded grille and molded bumper in the front with functional headlights. Looking closer at the side, you can see that there are mirrors in this model. And looking at the back of the model, you can see the molded bumper and functional taillights. Now, getting a closer look at the electronics in this model, they are including the S603 servo, a 45 amp 2-in-1 receiver ESC unit. Now, what this means is that the ESC and the receiver are one unit, and should you want to upgrade your ESC to a brushless or something else, you would have to upgrade your controller as well, and a standard 540 motor. This model does feature plastic almost everything, so plastic shocks and plastic drive shafts and plastic A-arms. Now, if there is any of the upgrade options still available from the original Vaterra V100, there will be upgrades such as a metal drive shaft for the center, adjustable turnbuckles, and adjustable A-arms. So those may all be things that will be upgradable and adjustable. And the rear end is much the same as the front, filled with plastic components and friction shocks. The tires in this model are a staggered tire, so they're a 3mm offset in the front and a 6mm offset in the rear. These tires are very grippy. These should work very, very well to provide traction, and they are very soft. These do use a standard wheel diameter, so if you wanted to add something such as drift tires, this model would accept those. Now, with all the spec stuff out of the way, let me give you the silent tour. Well, as we wrap up here, I just wanted to give you my final thoughts on this model. This is an entry-level model and it is priced appropriately. But if you're looking for a very sturdy chassis and a very nice looking body, this one might just fit your bill. Now, if you benefited from this video in any way, please consider giving me a thumbs up, a subscription, and don't forget to hit that bell. I mention this in all of my videos that if you're not hitting that bell, you're not getting notified when new content goes up. So go back and do that for all of your subscriptions. Well, that'll wrap it up for today, and I hope to see you in the next one.